Now, we do want to get a check of what the current conditions are like in the Ottawa County area. That's where we find News 8's Gabrielle Pfeiffer. Gabrielle, what are you seeing where you are?
Hey, Tom. Yes, specifically, I'm in Hudsonville, and just to kind of echo what Sarah and Terry have been saying, not much snow accumulation. You can see a little bit of that right now towards my feet, but as they have been saying, the wind is definitely a factor this morning. Right now, my photographer, Diego, has one hand on the camera, one hand on the light stand, so trying to make sure that we can keep our equipment together and it not blow away. You're not able to see the flag in this vantage point because it is in front of me, but it is definitely blowing with the wind, and I can definitely hear that. So that is just really an indicator right now of how strong those winds are. And as our meteorologists have been saying, we can only expect that to get stronger throughout the day. Roads are definitely snow covered. I know as I am kind of moving my feet in the snow, I can feel the ice that is underneath the snow right now. So just all things to keep in mind if you do have to get out this morning. If you don't have to get out, I definitely advise that you stay in as much as you can. We're tracking conditions this morning, but we'll send it back to you for now, Teresa.
All right, Gabrielle, thank you.